your girl, boss lady LEXI, and I am here today with you to do a spring collaboration with what's in my FabFit box collection with Rita's Glam Life. Now, what I would like for you to do is go over to her channel, which the link will be in the description box, and watch her video. And then you can come back and watch my opening of my Fit Fam box. Thank you so much, and I'll see you.
Hey guys, it's your girl Rhea from Rhea's Glam Life, and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a collab with none other than boss lady LEXI. And I just want to take a moment to tell her thank you so much for giving me a second opportunity to do a collab with her. The first time we were supposed to do this same exact collab and I wasn't able to do it because I feel like it wouldn't have been a fair video because my box is already open for me. But this time I got my box in hand, I put it up, and as soon as I got it, I let LEXI know, and she was so grateful to give me another opportunity to collab with her. So thank you, LEXI. I really appreciate it. Now, if you don't know who Miss Boss Lady LEXI is, what are you waiting on? Where you been, boo-boo? You've been missing out. So I'm going to do you the favor and put her link to her channel in the description box below. And I'm also going to put her link to her video for the collab in the eye constantly throughout the video if I can. And make sure you guys go check her out, okay? Also, I want to take this small moment to please remind you to watch the video in full just in case there's some information that you may need in the near future. Now, without further ado, let's get into this FabFitFun unboxing. Alright guys, so just a little backdrop. So I was originally just a regular FabFitFun, I think it's called a select member, and that's pretty much where you get to customize. That is after the VIP, after they select it, their days are gone, you get to customize your package. I think up to 2 to 4 items if I'm not mistaken. So check this. They sent me an email, was like, after I did my customizations, I was fine with that. So they sent me an email, was like, hey, check out the other customizations. You can get, I think there's like 4 more customizations. See what they are, and we won't charge you unless, until it gets to the end. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna see what it is or whatever. Y'all, they charged me $179.99 plus tax. It was a done deal. I selected the customization. I was like, okay, that's neat. And I hit continue to see, how much it all would be. When I hit continue, they were like, thank you. Thank you for upgrading to VIP access. And I was like, wait a minute. I was so mad. So I started to email them. And then I seen it in little small writing at the bottom of my little email where it says contact us. It said no refunds for VIP access. I was like, they knew exactly what they was doing. So I get, with the VIP access, you've paid for your 4 boxes for the year because it's 4 seasons in the year. You get a box every season. So this is my first VIP FabFitFun box that I'm stuck with for this year of 2019. But I did make sure to go ahead and cancel. So I won't be doing FabFitFun no more. They done got all they gonna get out of me, okay? Now, this is the, I guess the spring collection, I guess? I don't know. But this is what my box looks like. And it says FabFitFun. I haven't opened it, so let's do that. See. Oh, that was easy. Alright, this is going to be my first time seeing it with you guys. So, FabFitFun Spring of 2019. So it is the spring box. To get a closer look. And of course you get the magazine. And Venus Williams is featured on this edition's magazine. So I will definitely read this because your girl Venus is in it, okay? And yeah, I guess this tells us everything that we're going to get in it as well. Oh, how cute. I'm getting off topic. I'm sorry. Of course, they always give you this $50 gift card. Enjoy a home-cooked meal and conquer 2019 in 3 easy steps. I never use this, so I may give it away. I never use it. So let's just get into the packaging. So the first thing I'm just going to pick is some measuring spoons. Gia Z measuring spoons. I don't know who she is, but this is what she looked like. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this because your girl can use some measuring spoons because your girl cooks. Now these are very nice and pretty. Look at them. I like these. They're so cute. Uh-oh. So I customized this. I chose this. I remember that for sure. I definitely chose that. I'm glad I didn't buy it because I couldn't remember if I chose this or not, and I did. So I am so glad that I did not. But they had them on clearance for at Walgreens for $4.99. But it's Sip by Swell, and I'm just dropping everything. And I'm gonna use this. I am gonna use it tonight after I wash it. But of course, it's pink, guys. I customized that. What else did I customize? I'm trying to get my customizations out of the way. I think I customized this too. Yeah. I know for a fact I customized this. The Daily Concepts Detox Massaging Brush. And I probably, I think I got this for my husband because he needs, you know, this will help him out a lot to get massaged in areas that he is a little tensed in. So it detoxes and massages. It has natural bristles, ideal for smoothing and softening the skin. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It has those little beads in it, so for dry. Okay, so we will definitely put that to use. And I customized this as well. Unplug meditation, be happy, be present, be calm. And okay, so it's one of those scent things, I guess. And you pour the scent in it, and it's supposed to help you be calm. And I chose the orange scent. So I'm going to use this in the living room. I don't need nothing else in my room. So yeah, I customized this as well. So that's for customization. And it looks like this could, there's an app to it too. So check that out, guys. So I'm definitely interested in trying that. All right, so what is this black stuff? Champagne Charcoal Scrub. Is this for the entire body? It's by Mana Kadar, and it's a champagne charcoal scrub. And it detoxifies, exfoliates, and hydrates your skin with this gentle body scrub. It is for the whole body. Buffs away dead skin cells and absorbs excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. And it has never been opened. I don't know about putting this stuff on my body. Has anybody tried this? If you've tried this, put a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you tried it and if you liked it or if you did it. Or if you've tried any type of body scrub, let your girl know, okay? Now, these things, No More Baggage by Dr. Brent. We got this in an LEXI bag, and I didn't use it then, and I ain't gonna use it now. But this is what it looks like for the people who don't know, who've never done it. It was an LEXI BoxyCharm. And I ain't use it then, and I ain't gonna use it now. Sorry, Dr. Brent, but I'm just not feeling your products. I wish I would stop getting them. Alright. So I got a leave-in conditioner by Awa. I don't know how to say that, but that's what we're gonna roll with. And it's a spray leave-on, and I would have to look into what's in it before I put it on my hair, because your girl has been struggling to keep my hair moisturized, but I finally think I found something And if you guys want to know what it is, let me know and I will do a video on it. But it is really, really good. Really good. Like, it's really good. It keeps your hair moisturized for like the full 7 days. When it's time to rewash, your hair still has moisture. I'm so thankful to have run into it because I was suffering from dry hair. All right, so let's see. What do we have? Only one more thing. I don't know what it is, but it came like this. I have no idea what it is. It says Quay Australia. It's my girl. What is it? Sunglasses. Hold on, let me do this for the hangers one time. Let me do it all. Alright, I like those. That was nice. I don't know if I customized this or not. And this pouch is nice. It pops open like that and you stick it. I like that. We interrupt your regular schedule program to give you some information that you are going to need in a future live that's going to be coming up really, really soon. So if you've made it this far into the video, good for you. Lucky you. So, without further ado, let me just go ahead and say, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post a video or when I go live. And if you are already a family member of the Glam Fam, make sure you check that notifications bell so that you can make sure that you are being notified when I go live or post a video. With that being said, I'm going to be doing a surprise live, and I will be doing a surprise giveaway in that live. If you are selected to win that giveaway, you will need this code. The code is Glamour Girl. So make sure you take note of that, write it down so you don't forget. And I can't wait to see you guys in the live. So I'll see you in the live, guys. And now I'm gonna take you back to your regular scheduled program. But yee. These are my curls and they's popping. Alright guys, so that wraps up what was in the box. Let's see how much all this stuff costed. Okay, so I could have got a moo-moo, but I ain't want that. And I could have got a demi bag, but I ain't want no bag because I be carrying enough bags. Alice bag, my purse, that's enough bags. When I go shopping, I got bags. I ain't want no bag. So that's when I chose the Unplugged Meditation Aromatherapy Diffuser, which was $55. And then I chose the Quay Australia My Girl Black Smoke. And I could have chose the Vivienne or a picnic set or a brightening facial cream. And then, of course, it was the measuring spoons, body lotion, or a mystery item, which could have been a palette, buttercream, or a trigger ball. I ain't want none of that. The glasses were $55, so that's $110. And then the measuring spoons were $15, so that's $125. And then I got the Sip by Swell, and that's $19.99. Let me try to remember what I'm adding up here to see if I got my money's worth. 55 plus 55 plus 15 plus $19.99 plus. Okay, and I got to choose between that or a bracelet or some translucent setting powder. And it's by, and the translucent setting powder is by Shiate London. I ain't never heard of the chick, so I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna get me a Sip by Swell. And then I got to choose between a cleansing face purifier or a detox brush or a jump rope. I already got a weighted jump rope, so I chose the detox brush because I don't know who Tula is with the face cleanser. And the detox brush was $18. Okay, and then they gave me the Dr. Brent. Oh, okay, I got all three of those. So, okay, I got the Quay leave-in conditioner, the Dr. Brent, and the champagne scrub. So that was 26 plus 42 plus 24. So the leave-in conditioner is 26. The Dr. Brent is 42 for wet. And the champagne body scrub is 24. All right. And that was everything that I got, and all of that came to a total of $254.99. So I would say I definitely got my money's worth. Would I use everything in this box? No. So take out the $42 because I will never use this. This body scrub, I'm not too sure about that. I'm just going to do the things I know for sure I'm going to use. And then this leave-in, minus 26. So if I take out those 3 things and just leave in this, which is the Sit by Swell, the meditation, the drop-in meditation studio, the daily detox brush, the sunglasses, and the measuring cup, it comes to $162.99, which makes me fall a little short of what I spent. I spent $179 plus tax plus shipping. You hear me? Do you hear what I'm saying? So I did not get my money's worth. If you break it down like that, no, I didn't. So there ain't really nothing I can do about it because I've already canceled, and I can't cancel what I currently started. That when you cancel, it just cancels for the next year. So I'm still gonna get the box for summer and fall and winter. So I guess we will have to see, you know, if over time what I spent is worth what I receive. So if you've watched this video to the end, thank you very much. You got what you received in the video, so you know what to do with what you received when that time comes. So thank you so much for tuning into this collaboration with Boss Lady LEXI with FabFitFun, and make sure you go check out her video and tell her that your girl Rhea sent you. And I will see you guys in the next flipping video.